Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is to deal with Tai Chi sword form combat application, specifically dealing with the movements wheel, spins left and right. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and hit the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your support. Have a great day. So we're going to tie in two moves. One's working to the outside, one's working to the inside. So you got wheel spins left and right, and they can be either inside or outside with my cut, and just to swallow whole mud in its beak, which is a thrust. So here, if I'm on the inside, it doesn't matter. Keith is thrusting at my leg, so I finished with roll up the screen, so I'm using this as a carry to deflect. So come to me. I'm going to carry and deflect, and I'm going to use this to cut down. After the cut, if I choose, I can add swallow holds mud in its beak to, whether it's to the dantian, the quadricep, or down into the ankle. So one more time, moving in. Here I got wheel spins down. It comes through with a stab. Switch sides, Keith. If I turn out to be on the outside, the carry across thrust at me is going to be the same. So as he's thrusting at me, my carry is coming through. My cut is the same. Now, based on my distance, will tell me what foot I step up with. So again, if I carry back, I'll get his arm, but if I'm looking at his body, I have to step up. So one more. Wheel's going to spin here. I'm going to take my cut and then my thrust into the quadriceps. So that's wheel spins left or right to swallow whole mud in its beak.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.